Imagine bringing the pure, authentic taste of tradition right to your dining table. Now, it's easier than ever. Introducing our premium banana leaves, perfectly cut into convenient, ready-to-use 9-inch round shapes. No washing, no cutting, just the natural goodness you love, ready for any meal or occasion. Our process is simple and pure. We begin by hand-selecting the finest, most vibrant green leaves, plucked fresh from the plant. To lock in that natural freshness, each perfectly cut leaf is immediately vacuum-packed. This airtight seal preserves its beautiful color, texture, and subtle aroma. Once sealed, the leaves are carefully placed in a sturdy carton box and sent to your home via a trusted courier service. From our farm to your doorstep, experience the convenience of nature. Freshness, sealed and delivered.